All right, saying goodbye to our ship for a whole year.
Bye.
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 We're getting our stuff from the storage unit because we're gonna need winter tires and we're gonna need a couple other things. So here we go. All right, Coco, this is your new home. No go. We have our stuff all packed up from the storage unit and we are headed to Colorado.
Coco finally decided she didn't have to be in our lap. Never mind. Coco needed a drive.
Made it to Missouri. This is what working remote on a drive day looks like. We are gonna stop at River City Brewing, which is a classic stop on this drive since we make it so often. Stellar burgers, fantastic beer. Yeah. We are almost to Denver. Been in the car 8 hours, which is kind of the turning point, for me at least, of not wanting to be in the car anymore. But we are almost there. 4 more hours to go. We're almost to Colorado. And we got some weather. Got a little rain. Because we're getting close to the mountains.
Coco's getting restless.
Almost done with the drive. We have 2 hours left of really shitty thunderstorms until we get to Denver. Someone is pooped from that drive. So today is a pretty standard day in Denver for us. Hit up the REI in the morning and work from Walsh Park in the afternoon. It's beautiful out. Storm is still coming through, but it's supposed to clear up tomorrow.
Today we are heading to the mountains and I have a work trip where we're going to do trail maintenance up in near Nederland.
We are out here doing some kind of hike near Brainard Lake. No idea. Just saw a trailhead. And taking little Missy for a walk. I don't think she goes in the snow very often, so we'll see how she does. Very surprised the little nugget doing this well in the snow. It's pretty amazing, all things considered, since she's only 5 pounds. And now we have a nugget.
Trail maintenance today was awesome. Got to meet a ton of new people. We fixed up a really good portion of this trail to Brainard Lake. And now we're off to get lunch. Just finished work for the day. And we're taking Coco on a run around this park. Our favorite spot in Denver. We used to live right down the street. So it's good to be back. Best way to keep Coco on the run is to put ahead. And she has to book it. little nuggets getting on that.
We're going back to the mountains, hanging out in Breck for the weekend, and the colors are exceptional.
We are at Prospector Campground in Dillon, Colorado, and the leaves are popping, and it's like 65 degrees and sunny, and it's just like absolutely gorgeous.
Six in the morning. Camp last night in Breckenridge. We're doing a morning run, and the elevation is epically kicking my ass. So we've come to the uphill portion, which I wasn't really expecting, and can't seem too stoked about it. Pretty solid morning for a run.
Good morning from Lake Dillon. We are gonna go on a drive with Bridget and Moose and little Coco and see all the fall colors today. Yesterday we worked from the city market in Silverthorne, and it was stunning. Really hard to work with how pretty it was outside. So now it's Saturday and we get to spend the whole day exploring, maybe hang out in Breck. Yeah, I'm pumped. Happy fall. Best time of year.
Moose. Hi.
We got the whole crew, and we're gonna go see some fall colors and have lunch. I'm very excited about this lunch. We love a lunch. We love a lunch. I got the poodle back.
We're like 2 miles deep. This little nugget is crushing it. Way to go, Coco. Bridge, what did you think of the hike?
Thumbs up. 10 out of 10. We're peeping.
This is cute. Just hanging.
Coco, wanna go Bierfest? Wanna go Oktoberfest?
Oktoberfest. You wanna wear your lederhosen?
We're going Leaf-Peeping.
So we're gonna drive through Breck over the Continental Divide and then head down through Fairplay to Kenosha Pass, which is always such a good spot for leaves, and then turn towards Guanella Pass, which is where a couple of 14ers are. It's a really beautiful drive. Should see lots of leaves to Georgetown. And then we'll hop back on the 70 and go back to Denver.
We're going up Guanella Pass right now, and the colors are popping. Little Coco's taking in the sights. Pretty cool.
It's gonna be great.
We are taking a little hiking detour. Very, very little hiking detour on Guanella Pass. It is really light and you can't completely see it, but it is snowing right now.
We are up Guanella Pass, and everyone in Denver's here too. But it's gorgeous up here, and the colors are amazing. And you can see Mount Bierstadt here, which is a 14er. Maybe little Coco's first Alpine ride.
I think we are both equally as happy to be in the Alpine again for the first time in a really long time. And it's getting me really stoked for winter, and Jamie's really stoked to maybe climb a 14er. So we are going to Oktoberfest.
Oktoberfest.
Should be pretty fun.
Prost.
I don't know how long you're gonna wear this, Coco. You look so cute. Oktoberfest was super fun. Everybody loved Coco. They thought she was the cutest with her lederhosen.